Oh my god, this is the place where I used to take a stroll in the evenings, and now just look at the condition. A huge section of land has slid down. These rains, which were once our friends, have now turned into our
Oh
foes.
my god. The road is blocked. You can see there. It's very slippery down here. We have to walk very carefully. See? Last time Dharali and this time Dharali, my own district, was struck by a massive cloudburst last night, and it has been raining continuously non-stop. Not even for a second did it stop, and the repercussions were devastating. The moment we woke up this morning, the very first thing that we heard was something massive happened in Tharali last night, and our phones were flooded with messages, videos of people running here and there. They couldn't sleep. Vehicles were washed away, debris all around. It was scattered everywhere, even inside the houses. How horrible morning it was, I must say. Even our area wasn't spared. You can see it was also hit by the rain, hit hard by the rain, I would say. You can see right behind me. The scene is terrible, terrible it is. We are still fine, but people who have built houses near the water resources, the water sources, you know what I mean? So they are at higher risk, and anything can happen overnight, you know. So that's the problem.
Look, there has been a landslide here as well, and all the trees and plants have come down.
My God! What? लोग बोलेंगे दीदी को वीडियो बनाने का होश बड़ा है.
इंटर कॉलेज का ये रूम है और ऐसी हालत होती है. सारे टीचर्स लोग प्रिंसिपल जितने भी हैं ये सभी लोग इसी रास्ते.
My God, can you see this? How horrible it is. We had never even imagined this in our wildest dreams, that this could happen to our village, this could happen to our paths. So finally we have reached the shop, and I'm at Dolly's shop right now, and we were thinking that there must be a lot of water inside her shop because of the rain, and we would have to clean it all, but luckily there is no water inside. It looks completely fine. See? So the weather has become pleasant right now, but every evening it starts raining again, and we can't even sleep peacefully at night because of the fear of another cloudburst in the back of our minds. So we have got some videos from the worst hit areas this morning, and see the life in the mountains. It's never been easy. The struggles, the pain, you know, when the nature strikes, we are truly helpless.
ये एसडीएम आवास, ये फ्रंट गेट है, पूरा चैनल डूब गया है और सारी दीवारें, चारों ओर से दीवारें टूट गई हैं, और ये एसडीएम अंदर जाने का रास्ता है, पूरा इतना सा मलबा होता हुआ है. भारी मात्रा में नुकसान हुआ है. पूरा मलबा जो है इस यहाँ से गदरा आया है, और इसलिए आगे भी काफ़ी भारी मात्रा में ये लाइट के पोल हैं, सारे पोल टेढ़े हो गए हैं, और पीछे से दीवार टूट के आगे काफ़ी भारी मात्रा में नुकसान हो गया यहाँ पे. तो ये आप देख सकते हैं, लगभग 5 फीट मलबा जो है ये पूरा घुस गया है इसमें. ये
जी और सिलेंडर।
होटल 10 वाला होटल
ये है चेपड़ा बाजार खत्म। यही
है अभी चेपड़ों को रखे हाल।
ये सन्नू की दुकान, ये सारा चला गया दुकानें। ये देखो ये कितना नुकसान हुआ। ये लाइट भी चली थी क्या? हेलो भाई साहब, बहुत
नीचे से नदी बढ़ रही है, ऊपर से सारे पहाड़ टूट रहे हैं। भला इंसान, थराली का इंसान अब जाए तो जाए कहाँ।
Despite the loss, people still gather courage and start from the scratch. That's the spirit of the mountains. And these natural calamities, they've always been a part of mountain life. But with these changing weather patterns, these incidents are becoming even intense and frequent. So I'm back home now, and we had to walk uphill because all the roads were blocked and there was no way to go by car. And walking in the sunny afternoon was not easy. Anyway, I'm home. Look, it has already started raining there and it's soon going to hit our area too. Every evening we go to bed with so much of uncertainty. And before I end this vlog, can you hear the sound of thunder? And before I end this vlog, I want to thank you all for checking in and for asking about my well-being. I'm so grateful to have such a caring community, and we'll see you in the next one. Till then, please take care and stay safe.